There was once a little kid who started growing small horns. This made him feel like he was already a big billy goat who could take care of himself. One evening, when the flock was going back home from the pasture, his mother called him. The kid ignored her. He kept eating the soft green grass happily. But after some time, when he finally looked up, the flock was gone. He was now all alone. The sun was going down. Long, dark shadows began to spread across the field. A cold wind blew, making strange and scary noises in the grass. The kid felt afraid as he remembered the terrible wolf. Shaking with fear, he started running across the field, calling for his mother. But before he could go far, near some trees, the wolf appeared. The kid understood that there was almost no hope for him. He trembled and said, "Please, Mr. Wolf, I know you are going to eat me. But before that, could you play a tune on your pipe? I want to dance and be happy for a little while." The wolf thought this was a fun idea. He also liked music before his meal. So he took his pipe and began to play a lively tune. The kid jumped and danced joyfully to the music. But the wolf had made a mistake. The flock was walking slowly home, and in the quiet evening, the sound of his piping carried far. The shepherd dogs heard it. They knew it was the song the wolf played before eating. At once, they rushed back to the pasture. Suddenly, the wolf stopped playing. He ran as fast as he could, with the dogs chasing him. While running, he called himself a fool for playing music to please a kid when he should have just eaten him instead. The kid learned that ignoring his mother's call and thinking himself grown up nearly cost him his life. And the wolf, though powerful, failed too because he let himself be distracted from his purpose. Together, they remind us that overconfidence and carelessness can lead to danger, while focus, humility, and discipline keep us safe.